Hello my YouTube friends. Today's video I'm going to share a little gift bag that I'd fixed up for my mother last year. She had an upcoming birthday and I just love to fix these gift bags up. I bought a roll of the clear cellophane from Dollar Tree and that's what I'll be using to wrap my gift in. But I prefer the plastic bags, and Dollar Tree used to carry them, they no longer do. But I didn't want to wait for shipping and all that, so I just went ahead and ordered the roll of the clear gift wrap. Most of my items come from the Dollar Tree. Some of them come from the Dollar General, such as this little straw basket. Super cute, really affordable. I'm not sure, I might have given $6 for that basket. And I'm just adding some of this graffiti style filler. I guess that's what you call it. That's what I'm going to call it. The theme for this basket is lemon. My mom loves lemon pie. You get the notion. And of course I love lemon too, but I thought, wouldn't this be such a pretty little basket wrapped around the lemon theme? Just the colors overall and the different little things. So I sat and wrote me out a little list of possible things to put in it. And little by little, as I was out, I picked up the items I thought would work well. Right here is a little, I believe it's meant to be like a ring dish. It was just maybe $1 at the Dollar General. And I bought that little twin pack of lemon and ginger tea for a couple bucks. Now the center item that you saw me place in the basket is a lemon curd. Now I actually ordered that off from Amazon. You can find those at Aldi sometime, but it's a seasonal thing. This little saucer, this little plate that you see me putting in the basket now, I got that at the Dollar Tree. I believe it says every day is a new start or something to that effect. I'll post a picture, a screenshot of it, bringing it up a little closer so you get a better view. But it was just super cute. Now, as you see, I'm just winging it as I go. Sometimes I stop, pause, and think, is this going to look right? Is this how it looks better? So throughout this video, you may see me tweaking the layout of how I arrange everything. Here is a cake I originally wanted to put in with it, but I seen right away it's just not going to work. That was a lemon cream cake I got at Walmart. And the little washcloth set, I got that at the Goodwill. And the little knife and fork set was just, I think I found that at Marshall's. There I'm adding some zero sugar country time lemonade packs. And I had this pretty little towel that I got at the Dollar Tree as well that goes along with the lemon theme of that plate. Okay, after I kindly saw that everything would probably fit within my bag, I just went over to this little washcloth set. I had it tied up with a little brown string, and I'm just trimming off the excess, and I'm going to get ready and try to position it in the gift basket. So I've placed the cloth with the little silverware inside the basket just to kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. And I'll keep working with it until I get it where it looks more presentable and pretty. I'm using a twist tie to help tie the bag up, and that will give me a guide of how to finish filling the rest of the basket. Now I'm going to try to fit this little tea towel in there and arrange it. This is just a little project. It takes a little patience, but it's well worth the effort once you get everything to set and line up right. They turn out so beautiful. And honestly, you could tweak this for any occasion, for anybody, and make it more personal towards the person you're trying to gift it to. I love doing these, and really, the overall cost, if you spend wisely, you sometimes can come out cheaper than buying just some random thing that has no feeling or thought into it off of a Walmart shelf, basically. Here I'm using some Scotch tape and just taping the excess pieces of the bag that hang out too much, kind of smoothing them out and folding them up and taping them down to where it looks more cohesive. Now that I have the bag taped up, now I'm going to get ready to put a bow on top of this. And of course I tried to find one as best I could at the Dollar Tree to match up with the color scheme. I originally wanted to put the little plate with the cake slices in with the bag, but it refused to stand upright. Maybe eventually I could have got it to stand in there correctly, but I knew it would jiggle down and look sloppy in there if I'd left it, so I just left it to the side and give it to her separately. Now I'm just placing this pretty bright yellow bow on there, and it looks so pretty. I also got, I think this bow came with like a little stringy streamer thing. Yeah, here it is. And those colors really match that little plate on the inside, I thought. And once you get everything put together, these turn out so pretty. So here is my finished project. I was really tickled with how well it turned out. Could have been better. I'm sure most people are better at things than I am. But, for an amateur, I thought it turned out very pretty. And yes, Mom loved her gift, and it was worth all the effort. If she's happy, I'm happy. I love you, Mama.